Hi guys, get ready with me. Let's talk about Nigerian influencers and Nigerian business owners. The entitlement. How you guys doing? So get ready with me. All right. Okay, so I'm going for Niger Content Group, Niger Brand Chicks Trade Fair, and honestly, I didn't want to even do anything like. But I decided, okay, let's go on live stream, and just have fun. But anyway, I saw this video on TikTok a couple of days back where a Nigerian vendor was calling out Nigerian influencers and content creators and all of that.
So I quickly want to address something. Guys, do you know that our Nigerian influencers are the most greedy and selfish people you ever, or greedy and selfish influencers you ever want to work with? I will share my personal experience. Okay, so I saw this girl. I went through her comment section. I sell hairs, of course, you guys know. So I went through her comment section. I saw that she has followers that are really interested in her lifestyle, her hair, and everything. So I was like, okay, why don't I just give it a try? So I decided to send her a DM. So when I sent this girl a DM, I asked her about her rates. So she was like, she charges 150,000 naira for just a story post and blah blah blah. So I was like, okay, so how is it going to, normally now you ask how does it work, so I would know how it works, so I don't end up paying and not getting what I expected or what I was expecting. So I asked her. So she was like, it's just for story, to post on her Instagram story, and that was it. I was like, okay, fine, it's okay. Okay, so how do we work? How does it work? She was like, okay, that I will have to send her a free wig so she can use to advertise my brand after payment. I was like, okay, there's no problem, it's okay, I'll send you a free wig. She was like, no. I will be the one to go to your page and check and select the wig I want you to send to me that I'm going to use. I was like, okay, fine, there's no problem, go on and do it. Can you imagine? This girl went to my page, she selected hair worth 600 and something thousand naira. She told me that this is the hair she likes. I should send her this hair. It's actually a frontal wig. I should send her the hair. That's the only hair she likes on my page that she will want to use to influence or, you know, influence my brand. I was like, what the F? Like, why would you do something like this? You know, the next thing this bitch said, she was like, if I'm not interested, it's fine, I can go. She's not begging me that if I'm not okay with it. Like, she's so fucking rude. I got so pissed. And from that moment, I realized, or I decided, I was going to be my brand influencer. Like, I was going to put my brand out there for people to see. Like, I was going to be the face behind my brand. I was going to work so hard to put my brand out there. Because if you're expecting all these influencers to do the job for you, trust me, you will end up wasting your money, and they are so rude. Like, you cannot hold them responsible for anything. They're just going to do rubbish and give it to you just like that. You'll be the one wasting your money, and you, at the end of the day, you will lose. So don't bother, okay? Bye.
So according to her, she said she contacted this influencer on, I think, TikTok, and because lady sells hair, and said, okay, come and influence for my brand for this particular hairs and all of that. Let me do my brows, you guys. So I don't understand these brands. I don't understand what's going on, but please just ignore it. Anyway, so she said that she contacted this influencer and said, okay, come and do something for my brand, let's collaborate, and the girl now went on her page. This influencer now went on her page and selected something of a hair of, I think, 600,000 thereabouts. So this particular vendor now came on TikTok and was bashing the old Nigerian influencers, how they are very entitled, they are this, they are that. I'm coming. So I'm wearing this braided two-step hair, and I'm always scared when I'm installing this thing. I went to buy this glue. I know there's another one that they use, but I just got this one, so this is what we're going to use. So she was saying that I'm not doing a lot of makeup, you guys. Abuja is really hot. I'm not about to become sacrifice unto the Lord. I'm just going to rub powder, rub my lip gloss, and I'm on my way. So according to this vendor, she said that okay, the girl refused to take any other like products that they had, and even when they're like, okay, we have something cheaper, the girl okay, it's filming, because you know that is the way you're filming, you now discover that it was not actually filming. It can be painful. So she discovered the girl refused to take any other hair apart from that one that was 600k. Do you get? So now for me, what I want to say is that the vendor should have from the beginning said that, okay, these are the hairs we want you to influence for us. Do you understand? This is what we like. It's not up to the influencer to say that this is what I want to work with. Do you understand? So that's one thing I would suggest, that if you're a small business owner and you want influencers to work for you, already have in mind the particular product or whatever you want them to influence with, so that this question of she went to pick 600k hair, what do I do about this person? Okay, so trying to pick 600k hair will not arise. Do you understand? So that's the thing, because when the lady was going on and on about how Nigerian influencers are entitled, which, to be honest, the particular influencer is that what you people used to do? You just go say it's one of 600k that you want to use to do the influencing based on who you be. So on my TikTok video, if you're not following me on TikTok, please follow me. I was saying that there are different types of adverts, because there are a lot of Nigerian business owners who just feel, okay, I've paid an influencer to do content for me, so I must make sales. No, you are not going to make sales that way. There are a lot of things you need to already have put in place, okay, before you begin to expect that you are going to make sales. Before somebody will buy from you or take an action, they must have seen you like 7 times. Do you understand? So it's not the first time, or see or whatever about 7 times. It's not the first time somebody comes across your ad or whatever that they are going to make a decision. They have to keep being in their face like over and over. I don't understand this powder. Like, I honestly don't understand it. I don't understand whether it's because the sun is so bright and this camera is looking extremely bright. I don't understand what is going on, you guys. I really don't understand, but I'm already running late. So that's it. So another thing I want to add to that conversation is the fact that if you are not at the level where you can afford influencers, because influencers are expensive, okay, and expensive is relative. You want to tap into their audience, you want to tap into their audience who may be interested in that particular lifestyle that they have. Do you understand? And they've spent years, money building that platform, okay. So you need to also bear in mind that they have their own costs, right, that they are using to run their own influencing business. So it's not just fair to think that just because you just come and say what is your rate, like you are doing them a favor. No, mama, you're not doing any influencer or content creator a favor. It is your business, and there's a cost attached to advertising, right? So yeah, I'm coming you guys on TikTok. I was saying that business owners can also think about using user-generated content creators. Now, you know, an influencer, basically you are tapping into their audience, the number of people that is in their audience. But with user generator or UGC content creators, they may not be big. Do you understand? They may not be big, they may not be popular, people may not really know them, okay, but they know how to create content. So you can leverage them to create content for your brand, right, and run ads with the content that they create. So nobody's going to know that. Jonathan, is like getting the quality of an influencer for half the price. Do you understand? So if you're crying and saying, oh yeah, Nigerian influencers are greedy, Nigerian influencers are selfish, make use of user-generated content creators. It's just something that you can do, and no wahala, like no stress. You even can even get them to do it at a fraction of what influencers will do it for you, right? I feel like using black eye pencil, like my body is catching me to use black eye pencil just to darken it a bit. Sometimes my body is too sharp me like that. I'm going to use it to. So let me know, influencers, when you are working with business owners, what rates do you charge? Like, what are your rates? I will put a video that I did a couple of weeks back about the going rates for a lot of influencers and how much they charge based on their Instagram following. Based on their Instagram following. So I'm just going to insert it, but I would like to know, how much do you charge and what is your standard operating procedure with business owners? Okay, I'm already ready, so let me stand up so you guys can see what I'm wearing. I'm just very simple. Okay, I'm going to work, I'm going to create content. Okay, let me show you guys. My silver earring. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.